Aloha Gang, in today's video, we're gonna go over some of the newest features in the latest release from SCALER 2. Let's get it. So the updates just keep coming. I love this. All these updates that have been coming out are absolutely free. And I think since I originally downloaded SCALER 2, there have been about 3 or 4 updates jam-packed with new features. If you guys need to pick up SCALER 2, please use the link in the description box. It helps out the channel huge and it doesn't cost you a thing. We have a bunch of new people to the channel. I want to say thank you so much for the support. I am AlohaAlex. I have over 20 years experience as a producer, writer, and performer, and I'm helping people just like you grow their mixing and production skills. So before we start, smash the like button and let's jump on in. All right, you guys, so for time's sake, I'm just gonna go over some of my favorite updates that they added in the new 2.3 upgrade of SCALER 2. If you want a full list and breakdown of everything that they added into the new update, I will leave a link to a 1-page of the SCALER site in my description box, so check it out down there. But starting out, number 1, they added a bunch of new melodies to melody mode. Okay, so if you guys have the SCALER 2.2 version, then you will have this melody mode, and basically all the presets are over here on the side. And they added this new section called riffs. Yes, that's right. So they got riffs A through S, and I'm assuming they're gonna keep adding more and more and more. So jump on it while you can. Let's check out some of these right off the bat. Whoa, that's sick. Let's hear it with the beat. That is super dope. Okay, let's come down here. Let's try out B. And you can always mess with how fast you want it to play. That's cool. Let's see here. And we can also humanize it. And what that does is that will add variances to the velocity, the timing, or both, or you can swing it. Or have it play sort of, you know, off time. Really cool. All right, let's check out another one. Just going randomly. Let's try H. Weird. Nice. So I'm super pumped about this. As you guys know, I love using melody mode to just get ideas and get the creative juices flowing. So the fact that they added a bunch of new riffs into the presets, that's just going to get us creating even more. All right, the next feature that they added into this new update is they added some new chordings and progressions to the songs category right here. So, and one in particular, the 70s funk and soul. Let's check it out. So I'm going to turn on this little section right here so we can hit our, I'm gonna turn the melody mode off and just so we can hear the chords. And then just kind of play along to it. Beautiful. Let's check another one out. Nice. Let's make it a little bit nicer and let's turn on this strumming so it sounds like an actual player. Beautiful. Yeah, really interesting chords in this one. Really cool. All right, another huge feature that they added was extra sounds in here. Yeah, Scaler is not only chords and progressions, but it also has its own built-in synths and sounds, as well as some guitars, some hybrid keys, some orchestra. Pretty cool. Looks like they added some ensembles in here. Super cool. Tons to explore. Now, another cool feature that they added was the undo or redo feature, available right here in this Scaler logo right here. All you got to do is right click, and the undo and the redo is right there. So that's good if you're building. Let me go back to the original sound here. So that's cool if you're building out in the patterns and you want to come back and undo. Right there, it's right there available. Okay, and my last favorite new feature out of the new update is this bigger bind button. So when you bind a row, you activate it, and it basically syncs up with your MIDI controller or your keyboard. Before, the bind button was really small and almost hard to see, but apparently they fixed that on this one and made it really big and just really easy. So anything that makes the UI, the user interface, easier to use, I'm all for. So that's a pretty big one as far as I'm concerned. Upgrades and updates for days. What are you waiting for? If you want to see a whole breakdown of how to create a full song right within Scaler, click on this video right here. I'm talking verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, chorus, chorus. That's it. That's the hit recipe. So what are you waiting for? Seriously, come on in. The water's warm.